Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to activate Metro Bank ATM card. Now if you have ATM card, so I'll show you complete guide on how you can activate it. Now first of all, if you go to their website, as you can see, like this is Metro Bank official website and they have added the Metro Bank credit card activation process. So they've added both of the process if you want to card activation for new Metro Bank app users and card activation for existing Metro Bank app user. Now depends on you, whatever you are. Let's say you're a new Metro Bank user, so download the application, sign up with the on the Metro Bank application with your new card. You can just add your card details on the Metro Bank app, and after that you will be able to log in. Once you do that, go to dashboard and tap activate card. That is a simple process. Input your 6-digit code to confirm the activation and you're done if you're a new Metro Bank user. Now, if you talk about the existing Metro Bank app users, if you are in this list, so how can you do it? First of all, open the app, tap onto my accounts, go into this section, my accounts, and select credit. Basically, we are going to activate the credit card. So go to my accounts, select credit, tap enroll to add or enroll card. That is a simple process. Just click on enroll button, and once you do that, view your account details and tap on activate on the card image. Input your 6-digit code to confirm the activation. So these are some simple process. Depending on whatever you are, you can just activate your card simply in that. As you can see, they have added it officially, so there's no you can say the wrong process or wrong details. So make sure to follow this process and you will be able to do it.